What's going on, guys? Finally got my Canton racing oil pan for my LS swap. I haven't had much time to work on the car, been working on the truck, just been busy all around. Gonna open this thing up and show you guys the pan. Follow me, watch my build, like, subscribe. Got the dipstick, tube, got my pickup tube, there she is. Got the baffles. Nice quality. Like I said, follow and subscribe when I get the next parts, which should be the adapter kit. I'll open that up and show everybody. Keep watching for the build. It's going to be a long process, but over time and money, a lot of money spent, I'll have it finished up